Hello friends, welcome to my channel SAANVI'S. Friends, festive season has already arrived, and as we all know that Dussehra is a festival that marks the victory of good over evil. On this day, Lord Rama killed Ravana. It is a 10th day long celebration. On the 10th day, the huge efficacies of Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are burned. Prior to Dussehra, Durga Puja is also celebrated in the eastern part of India with great joys. And Durga Puja is the main festival of Bengalis. And the Durga Puja is celebrated all over the world and we all enjoy it. So, after the few days of Durga Puja and Dussehra, Diwali is also coming, and it is the festival of lights, peoples, and we also decorate our houses, markets, and shops with diyas, candles, lights, and festoons. So, in all these festive seasons, people decorate their houses with diyas. Also wanted to decorate my house with diyas, but fire is not safe for children. So I made these diyas with my own hand, and I made these diyas with the help of papers only. And do you want to know how I made these paper diyas? So friends, let's watch. And the steps are very simple, very easy. Your child can also make these paper diyas. And yes, one more thing, stay safe in this time. And if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you like my video, then place your valuable likes to my video. So friends, let's watch how I made these paper diyas.